All right, we are taking a test drive with British Nathan. Say hi, British Nathan.
Hi, British Nathan.
All right, so I am gonna fire this thing up and pull it out of the garage for Nathan, and then he's gonna take a little test drive, so. All right, let's fire this bad boy up. On the exhaust you installed?
It sounds very good. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
That sounds good. That clutch is very sensitive.
Yeah, first gear, it's hard not to stall out sometimes for me still.
Oh no, that sounds good.
Those valves though.
What do you get? I think there's some like
Yeah, the microphone just doesn't do it justice. The nice clickety clack with the gates.
that sound.
Yeah, just hit start again. We'll edit that out for you. You can keep it in. Oh shit, I just realized I wasn't recording for most of that, I think. We have the back one recording at least. I don't know if it's got good sound though. Oh, that's a shame.
It's lazy first day, it's okay.
That's right. Alright, you're gonna have to rip it up some more then for some good content.
Yeah, sounds good. Jesus.
I smell that exhaust now.
Yep. Unless you can bleed it. Yep, again. That's nuts. You can sit there and play with that.
It just wants to go fast all the time.
Oh, it's so fun. It sounds vicious.
Yeah.
It sounds like it wants to kill you.
Yeah, I just can't stop smiling when I drive this thing.
I have some chance. Oh, man. Jeez. He's just bonkers.
Deep breath.
And then stall it.
I think you drove it faster than I ever have back there on that first
I
drive.
got it, to be honest.
I don't mean speed, I just mean hard.
Oh. You too, if you own a Ferrari, can drive one hard.
Yes. Well, I've driven it hard, but that was extreme. I was proud of you. I tell people you can drive it as long as you drive it. Yes. And we're back. Nice and quiet.
Being quiet.
It's really hard to bring this back. One time I brought it back from poker and it was like 1 a.m. and I was like, ooh, God, this is going to be tough.
It doesn't sneak anywhere.
This is going to be tough.
Yeah, you turn the car from the coast down.
It's like, sorry, everybody. Sorry.
God, that's
Well,
ridiculous.
welcome back.
Thank you very much for that one. God, that's nuts. That is just bananas in a banana car.
Banana colored, so.
Yeah. Jeez.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you did a good job. It's
Getting
toasty.
it warmed up for you. You're welcome.
Toasty.
Time for marshmallows.